Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos 250d and record videos for extended periods, even up to an hour, for all your long-form content needs. First, let's talk power. While the camera's internal battery is good for shorter clips, for an hour-long recording, you'll need external power. One effective method is to use a dummy battery coupled with a USB power bank. A dummy battery that matches your LP17 battery size allows you to connect an external power source directly to your camera. Make sure the dummy battery, specifically designed for Canon EOS cameras that use the LP17. Connect the dummy battery cable to a high-capacity USB power bank. Aim for a power bank with at least 10,000 mAh to comfortably sustain an hour of recording. This setup ensures continuous power without interruptions. Next, let's look at internal settings that impact recording duration. Navigate to your camera's menu, specifically to the movie rec size setting. While higher resolutions offer better quality, they also create larger files and potentially shorter recording times due to file size limits. To maximize recording time, consider selecting Full HD 1920 by 1080 at 25 or 30 frames per second. This resolution offers a good balance of quality and manageable file sizes, helping you reach that hour mark. A crucial element is your SD card. You'll need a high-speed, high-capacity SD card located for cards rated UHS speed class 3 or V30, and ideally 64 GB or more. These cards can handle the sustained write speeds required for continuous video recording and provide ample storage. Now, for the big secret, the 250d, like many DSLRs, has a built-in 29-minute and 59-second recording limit per clip, mainly to avoid import tariffs on video cameras. While it won't record an hour in one continuous file, you can achieve an hour of recording by letting it stop and immediately restarting it. Simply monitor your camera, and if it hits the limit and stops, quickly press the record button again to start a new file with external power. You can repeat this process for as long as your memory card allows. Stitching the clips together in post-production. Capture your long-form content effortlessly by leveraging these tips.